Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or welcome if you are new here. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, all of these jobs are going to be for the United States only, so if you're outside of the United States, unfortunately, you cannot apply to these. But in today's video, we've got some things for you if you have great customer service skills, one including listening to recorded phone calls and scoring and grading them. No talking is involved, and the pay is up to $38 an hour. Of course, we've got some healthcare billing. We've got regular customer service. We've got a little bit of something for everyone. As always, if there is something specific that you're looking for, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. I never can make any promises, but I keep an eye out for anything I know people are searching for. And of course, if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you never want to miss out, because we share daily job leads for the best places that are hiring remote work from home right now. Of course, timestamps and links to a page that has all of these listed, along with the review pages if you want to read those Glassdoor pages. Everything is in the YouTube description box below this video. Starting out, we have Zillow, the well-known real estate company or real estate website. They have 2,000 reviews from past and current employees, and overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. Zillow is hiring a customer support advocate. This is going to be remote, full-time for the United States, but they're basically looking for somebody to support users for all of their real estate products. So you're going to work daily with customers, which is home buyers and sellers, and also the internal Zillow employees. You're going to provide education and resolve issues while maintaining a high level of professionalism. So you're basically going to become an expert on all of Zillow's real estate products, features, and functionality, and just support their new products as they launch as well. Just responding to all customers and answering all of their questions. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on things like location and experience. Most places pay is dependent on location and experience combination. Pays anywhere from $18.80 an hour all the way up to $30 an hour. And they don't require any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of customer service or customer support role. Somebody who sees the customer as a vital to the success of the organization. So you think that everything about the customer is best, that you go above and beyond for the customer. You can solve problems, be excellent at communicating, and have great time management skills. Now, they do prefer somebody who has previous experience with like Salesforce, Zendesk, or CRM software. Somebody who can basically navigate through a computer using like those Microsoft Office, those basic computer software applications. If customer service is not your thing, though, that's absolutely fine. Next up, we have the company Labcorp. Now, Labcorp is the healthcare company that does all of the lab work, lab draws. They do testing like DNA testing. They do all kinds of things. I personally have worked for Labcorp in the past. They have 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a pre-auth specialist, again, remote. Now, their pre-auth specialist is going to assist with all of the pre-billing tasks required by payers or insurance payers as a condition of payment for services. So a lot of insurance companies will require you to support, like send in medical records and say why a patient needs a service, and they'll go ahead and like pre-agree or pre-authorize the service to be done. That guarantees that you can then see the patient and send the bill to the insurance company, and the insurance company should pay. Sometimes there are some services that if you don't get this pre-agreement in writing from the insurance company, they can refuse to pay. So you're just going to be identifying any authorization or referral requirements from the patient's insurance company for the requested testing that they're going to be getting. You're going to research and review any medical policies through the payer or insurance websites. You may have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls from time to time, contacting the health plans, verifying the patient has eligibility or coverage, benefits, things like that. You might also have to contact the provider that's ordering the test to get medical medical documentation to support the request when needed, but you're basically just going to be sending this all to the health plans through their payer-specific portals or websites, fax, or sometimes telephone, and just making sure that you get all of that information from the insurance company settled and sent in. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma and 2 years of experience. You've got to know how to use a computer, like those basic systems like Word, Excel, great time management skills, great communication skills, and they say for this one, you've got to have basic math skills, like how to add, subtract, divide, multiply, things like that. You are going to have to follow HIPAA guidelines and regulations. Now, this one looks like they give the computer equipment to you. You do have to have your own internet connection, though. They are specifically looking for somebody to work 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours. Pay for this one is anywhere from $17.47 an hour all the way up to $25.56 an hour, and they are taking applications through March 27th. Moving right along, though, if you're interested in listening to phone calls and not taking them, but in the healthcare field, we have UnitedHealth Group. They have 17,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a contact center operations quality assurance specialist. Now, this is remote nationwide through the United States. So that quality assurance specialist is basically making sure the contact center or customer service people are doing their job in a quality manner. So you yourself are not actually a customer service rep. You are following up on things they've done, listening to those phone calls, scoring them, grading them, and giving them feedback. One thing I do want to note about United Healthcare up front is they seem to get a lot of applications, so their job postings are not up very long. I've seen things only been posted for a day or two and then they take them down. So please, if you're interested in this job, put that application in ASAP. Now, United Healthcare is known for providing all the computer equipment you need to do the job, as well as internet access. For this specific position, they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and that will be in your local time. But again, you're going to conduct call monitoring and auditing against defined quality scorecards. So they're going to give you a scorecard and a rubric or grading sheet to go by. You're going to provide concise written analysis on these interactions and phone calls that you're listening to, give featuring and coaching recommendations to help improve the customer service representative's performance. You're going to use tracking systems to report on the quality performance of the individual and the customer team as a whole, just facilitating and providing all of that feedback. You'll prepare calls and information for call listening sessions with external partners. So you may have to take snippets of different calls and put it together in like a presentation for supervisors and managers. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has a 1-year experience in a contact center environment and 2 years experience with quality evaluation tools or programs. You do have to have some computer experience using those basic systems, Microsoft Office, Excel, and you have to be 18 years or older. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience, but can range on the low end at $19.47 an hour, all the way up to $38.08 an hour. Next up, we have the company Yahoo. They have 6,200 reviews on Glassdoor, a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a writer for their credit card division. Now, I wanted to throw a little bit of something in here that was different. I mostly share jobs like customer service, healthcare, billing, things like that that most people would qualify for, but I'm always looking for something different for those of you who are not looking for those basic jobs. So Yahoo Finance is looking for a writer to help cover their credit cards, rewards, programs, and related topics like that. You'll be responsible for researching, reporting, and writing articles specifically on credit cards, reward programs for those credit cards, credit scores, or other related topics to credit. You're going to create rubrics and scoring models to evaluate and rank credit cards from like best to worst. You're going to cover credit card news and launches, just monitoring article performance and updating articles as needed. Now, while they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, and they do pay very well, they require quite a bit of experience. You need 5 or more years experience as a writer, and they specifically would like somebody who has personal finance or journalism background, somebody who has 3 years experience covering like finance, credit cards, things like that. You have great grammar and style, and you have the ability to learn and follow new style guides. Of course, you've got to be willing to work as a team, collaborating with editors and other writers, and have empathy for people facing challenges. Now, pay for this position is very well. It's $72,750 a year, all the way up to $151,250 a year. And if you don't have those specific skills to be a writer, that's okay. We have another billing job. The company Ossur, they only have 138 reviews on Glassdoor, so I'll always urge you to do your own research, come to these Glassdoor pages and read reviews on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a high employee satisfaction rating, though, of 4.0 out of 5 stars. Again, they are looking for a billing specialist. So you're basically going to be responsible for billing claims, reconciling accounts, and ensuring all the patient accounts contain accurate billing information in the system. You'll review and prepare claims for accuracy and proper documentation, processing claims through their electronic transmission or paper submission to different insurance carriers. You're also going to download electronic remits from the clearing houses and then post and reconcile the AR payments and adjustments within the billing system, just processing the monthly patient statements if they have a copay or deductible that their insurance says they owe, just reviewing all the balancing daily billing batches, so making sure that all the bank deposits have been processed and all of the billing is just kept up to date in the computer system. This only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 years of experience in billings, collections, or accounts reconciliation, or if you have experience in the healthcare field. Pay for this position is anywhere from $19 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. They do offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.